Hey, how's it going, sir? Good to see you this morning. Bring your chair right here, please.
Teacher, ayer tuve una situación con una socia y no le pude completar la frase ¿qué puedo hacer por ti?
Oh, okay. This is how you do it. It's called offer help. Offer help. This is the book English for hotel, resort, but it's for all the people with customers, with clients. Okay, put it in your notebook for Monday. Practice with the members. Members, right? In Costco, there are members? Members. Practice all week. Practice today. Today is Thursday. Today, with the members, practice. How can I help you this morning, sir? How can I help you? How can I help you this afternoon, ma'am, sir? Hi. How can I help you this evening, ma'am, sir? Next Friday.
Okay.
Tomorrow, practice all day. Morning, afternoon, evening. Hi. Good to see you. Can I be of assistance? Can I be of assistance this morning? Ma'am, sir?
¿Puedo asistirte esta mañana?
Yeah.
Maybe.
5 different ones. 5.
Okay.
Saturday? How may I assist you this morning? Today? This afternoon? This evening? Next day, Sunday, may I assist you with anything this morning, this afternoon, today? And next week, practice, what can I do for you
Esa era la frase.
this morning, this afternoon, this evening?
¿Y podría ser what can I do for you this moment?
No.
What can I do for you now?
No.
Tampoco.
That's crazy. That sounds rude. Sounds rude. You know what is rude?
No.
Rude. Rude is not professional. This is rude. You see? Polite. Thank you. Rude? See, The boy, he's rude.
Okay.
Rude. This time is rude. Now, this moment is rude. This is you, and this is the customer. When you say, this moment, now, it sounds rude. It's not nice. It's not friendly. Friendly, professional. Today, this morning, this afternoon, this evening, today.
O también, por ejemplo, what kind,
Or this morning,
okay,
this afternoon, this evening.
what kind
So you can practice Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So you have five options for your customer.
Okay.
5 different options. Okay, let's practice with the time like this. Repeat this
This
morning,
morning,
this
this
afternoon,
afternoon,
this
this
evening.
evening,
Today,
this today, or today.
only today.
Today. Okay.
So you practice. Repeat and repeat and repeat. Morning, afternoon, evening. All day. Thursday. One day, repeat in the morning, repeat in the afternoon, repeat in the evening. Only one. For example, number 1. Repeat and repeat and repeat in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. All day repeat. Only one. Practice for your memory. Okay, you repeat morning, this afternoon, this evening, and today. 4. Morning, afternoon, evening, today. This one, repeat.
How can I help you today? How can I help you this morning?
Repeat. Ma'am, sir.
Sir. How can I help you today, ma'am? How can I help you today, sir? How can I help you this morning, ma'am? How can I help you this morning, sir? How can I help you this afternoon, ma'am? How can I help you this afternoon, sir? How can I help you this evening, ma'am? How can I help you this evening, sir?
Excellent. Today is Thursday. You practice number 1. Repeat number 1, repeat number 1, repeat number 1. Now, let's practice when you see the customer, the client. Repeat. How's it going?
How's it going?
How are you?
How are you?
How's it going?
How's it going?
How's it going? How's it going, ma'am?
How's it going, man?
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
How can I help you this morning, ma'am? 2 parts. Number 1, how's it going, ma'am? Number 2, how can I help you this morning, ma'am? And they say, oh, my problem is this one. Repeat.
How's it going, ma'am? How can I help you, ma'am?
Do you have the how's it going in your notes? Open your notes. How's it going? Good to see you. You have?
No.
No? Look. Repeat number 2. How's it going?
How's it going? Can I be of assistance today?
Perfect. Perfect. Okay, put right here. Monday. Oh, no, sorry. Today is Thursday. Thursday. 2 parts.
Okay.
Repeat the 2 parts for today, Thursday. This one is for Thursday.
Okay, how's it going? Can I be of assistance Thursday?
No. Today is Thursday. You practice today.
Okay.
It's your practice for today. You practice English. Tomorrow change. Tomorrow, Friday, this one. Saturday, this one. Okay, let's see the 2 parts.
Okay, today is Thursday, entonces sería, how's it going? How can I help you today?
Yeah. And this morning, this afternoon, this evening.
Okay.
You work in the morning? You work in the afternoon?
In afternoon?
You work in the evening?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you need in the afternoon, in the evening. You work
Okay.
during this time,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So you use this and change this morning, this afternoon, this evening. Depends what time is the problem.
Okay.
Okay, put in your notebook. Thursday, homework. Thursday, practice.
Thursday.
Practice. Thursday, plan.
Practice.
The Thursday, the plan. 1, 2 parts. Thursday plan. Part 1. First part. How's it going this morning? Repeat.
How's it going this morning?
Right here, part 1 is the greeting. Greetings. Professional greetings.
How's it going this morning?
Yes, when they say, are you the manager? Are you the manager? Yes, ma'am. How's it going this morning? Part 2.
How is it going this morning? ¿Cómo estás esta mañana?
Yes, it's greeting.
Ah, okay.
Greeting. Part 1. Greetings. You see? Morning, afternoon, evening.